I watched somebody's YouTube video where they got this aluminum brightener, kind of like they use on boats. And they were saying that they clean up their aluminum rims pretty good. I'm out here changing out some wheel sensors on my Jeep, and I took my wheels off. They were really filthy. I wish I had taken a before picture, but all I did was spray this stuff on, and then I had a brush, just kind of lightly brushed it, took a hose and rinsed it off, and I'm telling you what, that made a world of difference. That's pretty incredible. Wow, that's something else there. I like that. The fella I watched make the video looked like he'd just come off the trail, and he sprayed that stuff and then just hosed it off, or lightly brushed it and hosed it off, and it took everything away. I mean, think about all these little weep holes inside of your bead lock, how they can sometimes get clogged up with stuff. And I just went around and sprayed it again on this side, and I've cleaned this one a good bit with mothers and, you know, regular car wash stuff. But I'm gonna spray this on here, let it sit for a little bit, and then rinse it off and just see what it looks like. I gotta say, that stuff's pretty good. I'm gonna have to do all the wheels with that stuff. That turned out really nice. Really nice. Heck yeah. All right, so this is before, and I've cleaned these, granted, with some car wash stuff and a brush. Now I want to get the spray. This is just me spraying it. I don't know why my screen flipped over. Oh, this concrete's hot. Now I'm gonna spray it in these little crevices. You can already see the stuff just coming off the sides. See how it's getting clean as I'm spraying it? And it's foaming up. Yeah. Okay, that's after one spray. What do you think? I think that's pretty good. Shout out to the guy I saw a video. I don't remember who it was, but man, that's awesome. Let me flip it over and do the other side. All right, there's the other side. All cleaned up. That was pretty simple. I like that. I'm gonna have to buy more of that. Ooh-wee.